Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account without a phone number or email. Alright, let's get started. So first open up your web browser and go to yahoo.com. I'm using the web version here. Now, click on sign in, and on this page you'll see a box where you can type your email address, phone number, or username. So if you forgot your username, just click on the forgot username button. So in here, you'll need to enter your email or phone number, and Yahoo will send you a verification code. You can use that code to sign into your Yahoo account. Now go back and this time type your email address in the box, and then after that, you'll be taken to the next page. So before, Yahoo used to ask for your password. Now Yahoo has updated their policy and simply sends a verification code to your email whenever you try to log in. So this just makes it easier for you to log into your Yahoo account even if you forgot your password. So just go to your email, copy the code that Yahoo sent you, and then paste that code back into the Yahoo website. And once you do that, Yahoo will also give you the option to change your password if you want to. And then after that, just press continue, go through the steps, and you'll be logged into your Yahoo account. And remember, if you forgot your email address and phone number as well, then you need to contact Yahoo customer support to recover your account. And that's basically how you can recover a Yahoo account without phone number or email. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.